Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Azure Park by Tripoint Homes. Now in this video, we are gonna be touring a move-in ready Plan 4. Now this move-in ready home has 4 bedrooms, including a bedroom downstairs. It's close to 3,000 square feet and an already landscaped backyard, so stick around. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with Exp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to the Plan 4 move-in ready home. Now the Plan 4 is, this is gonna be their largest model, okay? So it's 2,900 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and the price as of today is $586,847. Okay, so let's take a look. Now, something that's cool about this house is, it does have a bedroom downstairs. Okay, the backyard is already landscaped, so they don't normally do that for spec homes. Now, a little bit about the area, you guys. We're here in North Las Vegas. We're about 30 to 35 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. Pretty close to Aliante Hotel. We're about like 10 minutes away from there. Now, if you're on the 215, the exit would be Revere Street. Yeah, let's take a look. Now guys, remember, because this is standing inventory, the only thing you need to do is get pre-approved for the loan, or if you're buying in cash, you could close in this house in less than, as fast as your loan approves you, or if you're a cash buyer, maybe within a week or 2. So this is what you see as soon as you walk in. Okay, so you'll get the 9-foot ceiling on the first floor. Now, you'll have your coat closet right there. You also have your bedroom with a full bath. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a quick summary of the floor plan. So we have this kitchen, large kitchen island right here. So dining room area, very spacious living room. And then the backyard it's not the biggest backyard, but it's cute and it's landscaped, okay? So for all you that don't need a big backyard and you just want to have, fairly low maintenance, well, that backyard is perfect for you. Okay, so this is the garage here, right? You're gonna get your tankless water heater, water softener loop. Okay, you have your Rainbird irrigation system right there. So you got these nice brown tiles right here. Okay, definitely has a warm, the warm feel to it. Now with these new builds, actually seems to me like what's trending is the more of that warm look now. So, brown flooring, white walls, and they're starting to get away from more of the gray theme. Not saying that the gray doesn't look nice. It still looks nice, if designed well. Okay, so we got the Luma wood covered patio, which looks really good. Okay, so this is the already landscaped backyard. Have this nice little section of turfs. Okay, so this is gonna be where your side gate is. Now guys, if you are interested in a new build community such as this, guys, give me a call or shoot me a text. My info is gonna be in the description below. I'd be honored to help you out with this process. Or if you're already working with a realtor, that's fine. At least let your realtor know that you're interested in a new build community. You wanna make sure they're with you on your very first visit, because if you visit the new build community on your own, and you provide your information to the new build agents, they won't let you have representation down the road You definitely want representation because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new builder. And we have fiduciary relationship with you. Okay. So that means we try to negotiate for you. We have, your best interests in mind. We hold the builders accountable. We'll make sure you get all the max builder incentives, and the builders pay the agent fees. Okay. So walk-in pantry. So large pantry. Now with this kitchen, as you can see, is they went with the gold finishes. Also, they did upgrade they do have the nice quartz countertop. Okay, they have the veins in them. They also brought it up for the backsplash as well. So it looks really nice. Yeah, so you got your cabinets, upgraded shaker style cabinets. Now you're gonna have the GE appliance package. So you got the double oven, microwave, single basin, stainless steel. Okay, so the GE refrigerator. So plenty of outlets. Take a look at all these outlets, guys. Okay, and you also have your little USB plug right there as well. So overall, the floor plan feels very spacious. Okay, I love this. Definitely love this area. It flows really nicely. And then I'll show you guys this bedroom. Okay, so we've got a bedroom down here. Oh man, it's getting kind of dark. Okay, so you got your standard closet, our pre-wire to the ceiling fan right up here. Right over there, that's gonna be your half hot switch. Okay, so with a half hot switch, that just means the bottom switch is usually always active, but the top one is controlled by like one of these switches right here. In case that you connect a light to that outlet. Okay, so bathroom, they went with the quartz countertop, Moen faucet, undermount sink. I also opted for the walk-in shower instead of the shower tub. And right over here, I love that, you have high ceilings. Now here, I'll show you this room first. So this is the coat closet. Okay, so right under the staircase. And then you do have some storage space here as well. Oh, and it even turns to right here. Okay, so they made sure to use every single inch of underneath the stairs. Okay, these doors are 6 by 7. They're all gonna be 2-panel doors. You're gonna have the 5-inch baseboards. Okay, the stair rails are upgraded, you guys. You have that mission style railing in white. Now, normally, standard would be a pony wall. So the pony wall looks like just an extension of the drywall. But for Tripoint Homes, it's good to have this just because it opens up the floor plan a lot. Can you imagine staring up and then all you see is this drywall that you couldn't really see the loft? So, I think it's definitely a good upgrade. There's definitely higher tiers of stair rails too, which a lot of model homes have it. Okay, so remember, this is just these are the move-in ready, quick move-in homes that they built. So, they can't go over the top like they do with the model homes. They'll try to put options that's fairly safe. So, okay, nice large loft. Now, if having a giant loft is important to you, well, this house has a giant loft. So you got your TV setup right here. You have your Smurf tube. Okay, so also 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. Honeywell thermostat. Control the temperature up here. Okay. Now, straight ahead, we're gonna have the primary bedroom. You're gonna have your laundry room right here. And then the 2 guest beds are gonna be right to the side. Now this room is spacious. So this is gonna be about, I wanna say like a 12 by 12. Also has its own full walk-in closet. Okay, beautiful neighborhood. Look, mountain views. I love mountain views. I think I prefer mountain views over strip views, actually. Okay, so right here. Oh. So you'll have your dual sinks, quartz countertop. Now this is the standard flooring. So if you made no upgrades to the Tripoint home, you're gonna have like this 17 by 17 tile, which is this, only in the wet area. So it'll be in the kitchen, bathroom, entryway, and then you have carpet all throughout. Okay, so you do have your shower tub combo. Okay, fiberglass. Okay, so both of these bedrooms are gonna share that full bath. What is the light switch to here? Oh, duh, there's no lights in here. I feel silly. Okay, but you do have the pre-wire set for the ceiling fan. Okay, we have your standard closet right here. Now this is nice. Washer and dryer is here, so it is included. Also a sink in the laundry room. That's important to a lot of buyers too. Okay, attic access right here through the laundry room. Now, here is the primary bedroom. Very, very spacious. Okay. To the right, you'll have your walk-in closet. Okay, so generous size walk-in closet. Right, you got 2 lights in here. Oh, nice. Just over here, you have really nice view of the strip. Check that out. But I mean, you know, they're obviously going to be building right over here, those houses as well. Okay, so, you know, it'd be hard to, now if they were going to build single story homes right here, which I think, is this still the same community? Yes, I believe this is the 2-story community. So yeah, they'll probably build a house right here, 2-story home. Okay, so welcome to the full bath. We have the walk-in shower, separate tub, dual sinks. Okay, quartz countertop. And you have your toilet room. All right, guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the plan 4. Also, again, if you're looking for someone to help guide you through the process, someone who's very familiar with the new build process, yeah, just give me a call, guys, or shoot me a text. You know, especially if you have any questions, like want to know the incentives of the community, give me a call. Until then, guys, I will catch you guys next video.